So hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, guys. Today's video we're gonna be unboxing Foosball. Yeah, Foosball. It's from the company Canadian, and I'm gonna show you how it looks and how it is. Okay, so I'm just gonna turn it over for you guys to see. Oh my. See the looks. So we have the box right here, but it says Foosball. It's so big I can't even show it in my camera. So I'm just gonna put it up a little bit so you guys can see. Okay, I guess this should be good enough to show you guys. So we're gonna be opening it. So let's go. So it opens from the top right here. It has this pull tab that we're just gonna pull out, and we have this one lid, and then there's this lid that you will mostly just pick it up like that. Then you have the insider base with this green metallic color. So it's really nice for once of a game, and I really like it, actually. I actually like it. I'm gonna turn off my flashlight for some reason. Okay, we're gonna take the box out, and I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Oh my god, this looks so much premium. This looks so much good. And it has these holes, which I guess are for the counters, because I read it over on the box. It looks like this when it's prepared, and it has all these instruction guides that it came with. So it came with the back, and we're going to take out every single of these papers out of these, and pretty much they're so good. They're really arranged, and let's take out the body. So the thing somewhat looks like this, and that's the bottom part right here, and then we have the soccer ground. And it also says that convert any surface into an instant stadium for a fast and furious game of football. Of foosball, I mean. So it has these packs over here, pretty much. So I guess I'm gonna take one out. Ooh, these are the counters, red and blue, ketchup and mustard. And there is another pack which includes 2 metal balls, which I guess are the soccer balls for the foosball. And these are the counters, so we're gonna open them up. So I guess here, the net goes here, and then all of the ball comes into this little area over here, like hockey. So let's set up a game and show you guys how it is mostly. So I don't have to control all of this up like that. So I can just see what I want to control. And it has this little hole right here to put the ball. Oh my god, where is it? Oh, right here. So let's do it. Let's open it. Let's open our ball, then we can open our goalposts. Okay, so we opened our bag of balls. So I'm just gonna take out 2 of them for just show you guys the metal balls, and they're metal. So we're gonna start a game put the ball here from this hole like that, and it's just gonna come out. So let's play a game of football. Why do I accidentally keep on saying like football? And that's a goal. So it's basically a goal, like the ball's right there, right? So the ball's in there, so we can just tilt it up, and the ball comes out in the box. So since I tilted it like that, the ball came out. But let's try again with another ball. So okay, it's a rally match when you have like 2 players, but if you're playing with 1 player, you can still play the game. It's really nice to play. And since this team got a ball in, so the players choose a color, which if I choose a color yellow for this team, I put it over there. And since the situation is like this, all of them are in, so the players play for the last hole, which they haven't given in this. There are only 10 counters, but there are 12 holes. So players play for the last hole, and if this team, the white team, gets the ball in, they get the reds 1 point into theirs. So they're the winner of this game since they have all of them, and they're the losers because they have a 2-note sentimental. Okay, so how do you like this game? Good. Subscribe to the channel and like the video.